This final tech tip looks at how to geolocate files using the State Plane Reference System.
I'm going to jump into another project here, Juan, and show you one more time how we can geolocate a project if we've got the CAD file. So this one, same project, Juan, and let me turn on the annotation line so I can import in the sheet real quick. Now, as you can notice, this one's a different orientation, right? Does this look like it's in local coordinates, Juan?
See those north and east in the million, so
right
it's
here.
probably some kind of state plane, right?
That's right, that's right. So I think I'm in state plane. I've got actually got the CAD file for the project. So let's check it. So if I go up to utility, transform job, and go down to map projection settings. So I know this one is in South Carolina, so all I need to know is the state plane coordinate for the zone I'm in. So thankfully South Carolina only has one zone, and I just have to hit set. And notice, Juan, it put those benchmarks in for me. So let's see if they line up. So I just simply go to plan view again. And then I'm simply going to export out the job again. And we should drop down into South Carolina again. So I'll just go file, export that KMZ file, hit save, replace it. There's my menu. I don't need the sectional areas. Hit export, excuse me.
And my one thing is South Carolina only has one state plane zone. If you're in Texas or California and there's a bunch of zones, you don't know which one it is, go to Google and Google California state plane zones and go to the maps and you'll see how actually have them in there right in front of you. But so go to Google, just put it in state plane zones and then figure out which zone you're supposed to be on.
Yeah, there's actually an overlay you can bring into Google Earth that if you click on any point on the map, we use that a lot with drone data. So you're right. That's a good point, because a lot of times, guys in the office may not, be knowing if you're not dealing with GPS or you're not dealing with drones, then most of the time, what state plane zone you're in isn't really that important. So there we go. The job shows up here, Juan, so we're good to go.
Yeah.
So I'm going to close out of there. And so again, utilize Google Earth, right? Because it's free, and then you can share that with anybody. You could share that with your client, with your customer. Just email them that KMZ, and anybody's got access to it.